How to download a Happy Game on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about downloading the Happy Game on PC, which is a horror game. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and then type in store.epicgames.com in the search bar, hit enter, and then log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you need to go ahead and create an account first. Then tap on the search box in the top left corner of the screen and here type in Happy Game. Hit enter. Select the game that you'd like to download. Once you're in the game page, scroll down and tap on Buy Now option, which is highlighted in red color. Or you can also tap on Add to Cart and then go to Cart. This will take you to the checkout page. And if you have Epic Rewards, simply select the option of Epic Rewards that will cover the expense of this game. And if you do not have that yet, you can go ahead and select wallet balance or other payment methods like your credit or debit card or PayPal. Enter all the correct information and then check the box here to agree to the terms and conditions. And if you also have the creator code, you can simply type in here, scroll down and then tap on place order. And that's it. This is how you can download the Happy Game on your computer. So if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.